Alright y'all, today we are going to be doing orange chicken. For this we have 2 pounds of chicken tenderloins. We got some brown sugar, we got some ground ginger, some cornstarch, some rice vinegar, some minced garlic, soy sauce. Obviously we got some oranges, some orange juice, and a little bit of green onion. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright, so we're going to start with our orange sauce. For that, we're going to take a cup and a half of orange juice. It can be freshly squeezed or not, that is completely up to you. 3 tablespoons of our rice vinegar. We're going to take half a cup of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of our soy sauce. We're going to take half a tablespoon of ground ginger, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Take a fork, get this well mixed up and well combined. Then we're going to set this to the side. Alright y'all, so we got 2 pounds of our chicken tenderloins. And we're just going to go ahead and dice these up into bite-sized pieces. Alright, so we got our chicken. We're going to go ahead and zest 1 orange over the top of it. Then we're going to go ahead, slice this orange. Just quickly juice it into that chicken. Now I want to go ahead and give this a really good mix. And we're going to take a half a cup of our cornstarch. Now we want to give this a really good toss. Get every piece of chicken well coated. Now we're going to go ahead and move over to the stove. Alright, now we have our oil heating up on a medium-high heat. We're going to drop our chicken in. And we're going to cook this until it's done, about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. We want it to be golden brown. You don't want to overcook it, so keep an eye on your oil temperature. So once our chicken is cooked, we're going to pull it off. And I have a plate with some paper towels on it just so this chicken can drain off the excess oil. Then we're going to cook the rest of our chicken. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so our chicken is cooked. And we gone ahead, moved it, put it on a plate to drain with a little paper towel. I went ahead and dumped the oil out of this into something that could hold hot oil. Don't dump that down your drain at all. Now we're going to take our sauce, and we're got this on a medium heat, and we're going to stir and cook this until it thickens up. Once that sauce begins to thicken up, we're going to go ahead and dump our chicken back in. We're going to toss it, get it well coated. And then we're going to shut this heat off. Then to finish this off, we've chopped some of our green onion. Drop that on top. Take our second orange. Zest that in. We're going to give this a quick toss. Now all we gotta do is plate this up. I have some rice to go with it on a plate. I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, and there we have it, orange chicken. I've got mine plated up on a bed of rice. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.